Welcome Algebra 2 students to class today on this Friday the 4th. Let's jump right into this. Um, you've received a great education this first semester, and of course I give God the credit for that, and we're going to continue our mathematical education, the pushing that I do to make sure we cover a good amount of math. However, accidents happen. Last night, Josh had his first indoor soccer game of the season. He's a goalkeeper, went up to get a ball, jumped really high to get the ball, and he drove his head into the top of the crossbar on the goal. Split his head open, it stopped the game, blood was coming down side of his face, head. He had 4 staples in the top of his head. Now, I was at the game. Linda took Josh to the emergency room for about 3 or 4 hours, I believe. About 3 hours. I was at home with the kids, which usually I'm working at night during my classes while Linda helps out with the kids. I had to make supper, which is a miracle I didn't burn the house down. Anyways, these things happen when you have 4 boys, okay? So the test is obviously not made. I can't help that, guys. Family comes first. The whole night was a mess. So these things will happen once in a blue moon. If I was an on-site teacher, I'd come in today. I'd teach a lesson, but I don't have videos ready. That's not an option. So, guys, you're not mad. I know that you're a normal student. You're happy. I'm perturbed about it. There's nothing I can do. So, it is right now. You can see the time. It's 12:30 in the morning. In order for me to make the test and then get up in time in the morning to get a shower and get ready for school, we leave about 7:20. I'd get about 4 hours sleep, 4.5 hours sleep. So that's not an option. So the test will be Monday. Got it? The test will be Monday. I will be there. We will meet in the church auditorium. Some of you can take advantage of this. Look at this. I'm not going to read. I'm just going to scroll through here. All of these are due. Henry, you turned yours in. Of course, Henry can't even hear me. He's on the Hendersonville tournament. But some of you have some work to make up, okay? Is that everything? Yeah, that's everything. So, look, if you want to, cause problems, and I guess be loud, but I would advise you to be quiet. Leave Miss Carol and the students alone and work on your math or another subject, or maybe you're not done with the review sheet. You've been given a chance to get those 5 bonus points. Work on that, okay? Guys, I could give you a review assignment. I could do that. I really could. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's called busy work. I'm okay with busy work. Busy work is a good thing sometimes, okay? But for you 6 students, instead I'm trying to say be mature, get caught up on your makeup work, and this is not going to happen. This is crazy, okay? This is because my son had to go to the hospital for 3 to 4 hours last night, okay? And so it's not going to be the norm. Now, are you ready for this? We're going to have a test on Monday. Got it? Where they're going to take notes and work on math Tuesday through Thursday. Then we're going to have another test on Friday. Now, be thankful. Be thankful for this test, okay? That is a test that covers 3 days. I mean, when you see me, you should give me a big hug or a high five, okay? 3 days. That's like a quiz. And by the way, if you have 2 other tests on Friday, that doesn't matter. This is like a quiz. It is nothing different than a quiz, okay? 3 days. I've given you tons of quizzes this year that have covered 3 days material, okay? So it counts for a test grade, but it's really like a quiz. So what a chance you have. It's your 3rd test in the 9 weeks, and we've done the best we could to get chapter 6 done, and we just couldn't quite do it, okay? So that's what we're going to do next week, alright? So, if you have any questions, email me. I'm really sorry about this. Find see Josh walking around the school with a hat on, now you know why.